Hello, this is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com. This video is for Tom in Pennsylvania, and here is the throttle body from a 95 E420 that I repaired, and now I'm going to show live readings and basically just a quick activation. Now this throttle body, the wires were totally horrible. They were all shorted out, and the internals are not too bad actually. I like internals, they're not too bad at all. It cleaned off alright, although some areas deep in there like I cannot clean because I don't want to go too crazy on it. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Underside, it looks pretty nice. Given that's 22 years old, 23 years old, which is nice. Most Mercedes parts are great. Temperature on the unit right now is gonna be pretty much cold because I just put it back on the bench just to show you the actual activation. Okay, so this is not going to be as hot as the others, but anyway, I had it tested on the bench for quite a long time. There's no question about it. So let's take a look at our live readings, live values here. So what we're gonna see is we're going to gonna show you the readings. This is just plain activation by moving the linkage by my hand. I'm using different control module that allows me to open it all the way. Many Mercedes cars control modules that activate throttles will only let it open like this, just halfway, even though if the linkage is all the way up. But this is the controller that lets me do that, so that's why I use it. And also this particular controller, I can see micro switches activation, give or take, plus or minus. Now let's move on to readouts. 4.24, that's correct. 0.51, this is somewhere in between where it's supposed to be, which is good. From 0.4 to 0.6, so 0.51. Again, this is E-class, so they're all they're all a little different here and there, so it's not a problem whatsoever. The 4.24, 4.25, that's what I usually see on all of them, and this one I can see from 0.4 to 0.61. At once I saw 0.61, but this is good. Micro switches on off, we move the throttle to have it a little open. Micro switches change their direction. Again, this control module does it. Some modules do not pick those readings out. They only need potentiometer voltages, which is right there. Now, when the throttle is wide open, there will not be a mirror image of the micro of potentiometers. Okay, so there's going to be just like that. So that's fine. It's wide open throttle. So, and as you can see, when I move the linkage, readings follow. Do not mind micro switches jump. That's pretty much computer glitch. They always had been doing that. It's just never been steady. They keep going on off, whatever. That's not the problem with the throttle. It's the computer, the diagnostic equipment stuff. They glitching all the time. I have 3 of these computers and all 3 glitch, so it's just the way it is. But yeah, so basically at this point we're all ready to go. And this is the loom, and sealed off there, and the connector there, done. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it on the bench, contact the customer, call Tom. We'll get it all, finances done, and then off it will go back. I'm just gonna leave it on the bench to be energized while this video uploads. And here we go. Alright, so this is going to be all. This is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.